Hey, how's it going guys? Developers here, today about the new video. I know I haven't posted in a while. The reasons for that have been posted on my Discord. The fan server / Discord invite link will be put in the description down below, as per every video. For those that are interested, I will be starting a live stream series where I create a bot with your ideas. So if you're in the stream, you've got a command idea, you can put it in, you can watch me make it. Other than that, in today's video, we'll be creating the third part to the moderation series, the advanced staff command series even. So with this is we're going to be splitting this into 4 parts instead of 2 long parts. I thought 4 short parts is better than 2 long parts, right? Just my statistics wise. So with this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating the database and half of the code needed to create the logs. It will be done through webhooks, not chats. No way in hell am I doing it through chats. That's completely different, because that's when you got to go through perms, you got to go through everything else. It just takes a while. So we're not going to be doing that. We are going to be doing it through webhooks. So with that in your database, you need to open this up, and in here you need to create a new file, and this will, I don't know, you can call it stafflogsdb.js. Alright, in here we'll need to get 2 things from the mongoose package. So in here we need model, that's outside of it, model and schema. Alright, and we're going to do modular exports. Alright, and then in here it's going to be a model. The name will be, I don't know, modlogs. And we're going to do comma, new schema, schema, yeah, new schema, and we're going to open this up. We're going to have the guild name as a string, the guild ID as a string, and the webhooks as an array. Alright, that is literally it. So with that, you can now go into your staff, or if you really want to, you can go up to here and you can create a new folder called staff management, and then in here you can create the staff log system or logging system, because this will be, we will be coming back to this. So we need const discord equals require discord.js, and we also need const database, and this is where we get the path to the database. So database / stafflogsdb. Alright, and now we're going to the usual module.exports. Data is a new discord./command builder. Alright, we then want to set the name to config or configuration, depending on what you send it as. Config the logs to your server. Alright, and then from here we need to add a that's a string. We need to add a right. This really confuses me. I only get spelling errors when I'm recording. When I'm not recording and I write the code beforehand, it takes less than, I don't know, it doesn't take that long. I don't do spelling errors, but when I'm recording it and explaining it, I always get spelling errors. Always. Don't know why, I just do. Subcommand, you want to set the name to logs. Alright, we're going to set the description to config your logs. Just change this to configure your server. Now I've realised we aren't just using this for logs. Add channel option. Alright, option, arrow function it, option. We're going to set the name as mod logs. We're going to set the description, the channel where your moderation logs will go, and we need to make this required true. Fucking stuff. Alright, with that we can come down here and we can copy this. It's not the same, we need to get rid of this channel option. Alright, and this is going to be delete, and this is going to be delete your configuration, and then we can copy this. That's paste. We can copy that, paste it again, and change this to view, and change this to view your config. We can comma it out now, and we can do async execute interaction, open it up, and we're going to get the parameter for discord.chat input command interaction. Alright, now we've got the basic, well, I say the basis, we are nowhere near the basis yet. Right, const required permissions. Right, we're going to open this up. We're going to do discord.permission flag bits dot flag. No, oh, it's not working. Permission bit field dot flags dot send messages. Discord dot permission bit flags dot flag. Permission bit flags, permission bit field dot flags dot embed links, discord dot permissions bit fields dot flags dot manage webhooks. Alright, so we're going to do if not interaction dot guild dot members dot me dot permissions dot has required permissions. We're going to open this up. We're going to do if not interaction dot guild dot members dot me dot permissions dot has, and it's going to be discord dot permission flag bits dot send messages. We're going to open this up. We're going to do const missing permissions mission message equals new discord dot embed builder. Alright, we're going to set the description, error executing this command. I do not have the send messages permission. Alright, we're going to set the color discord.colors.red, and then we're going to return interaction.reply. No, it's not interaction.reply. Interaction.user.send, and then in here it's going to be the embeds, and it's going to be missing permissions message, and that is it necessarily. We are then going to do this. Actually, no, do interaction.reply. Alright, we're going to come here. We're going to copy this. That's meant to be if. No wonder it wasn't working. Alright. We then want to do else and then paste it. This isn't going to be send messages, this is going to be embed links. I do not have the embed links permission. And then we're going to do else. Boom. With the embed links, if we can't embed anything, we can't return an embed. So we've got to get rid of, we can copy this, and then we've got to completely wipe that and that. We've got to change this to content, and then we've got to put that in there. Okay, right, and then the last one is manage webhooks. I do not have the manage webhooks permission. Right. that should be it for there. We can come out of this if statement, and now we're going to do if not interaction.member.permissions. Actually no, instead of doing that, up here we're going to do .set default member permissions discord.permission flag bits that's add directions administrator. Alright, and then down here we're going to do if interaction.options.get subcommand equals logs. I believe it's logs. Yep. If it equals logs, we are going to do const modlog channel equals interaction.options.get channel modlogs. I believe that's what I said it as. Yep. Okay, right. We're going to do if not modlog channel dot type does not equal discord dot channel type dot guild text. We're going to open this up. We're going to do const e error equals new discord dot embed builder. In here we're going to set the description. This description we're going to put moderation logs can only be a text channel. Alright, we're going to set the color discord.colors.red. And then we're going to return the interaction.reply embeds e error. Okay, right. Now that's all. Now all of that is out of the way. We're going to do database.find1. In here, we're going to do the guild ID interaction.guild. We're not going to do it by name because someone can just copy the name and then they'll have access to all the information. And that is why we do it by the ID. Okay, we're going to do if data, if there already is something there, const already config equals new discord.embed builder. We're going to set the description to you have already configured this guild. Change it, please delete the config, then rerun the config. Okay. We're going to set the color to green. Return interaction.reply embed. Right, I'm tired. Do not question that spelling then. Already config. Alright. So that's if there is data. We need to now do an else if not data. Try. Alright, so we're going to do a catch a console dot, what the hell was that? Console.log the error, and we're going to do const error config equals new discord.embed builder. We're going to set the description as there was an error whilst creating these webhooks. Please delete some before trying again. Alright, we're going to set the color to discord.colors.red, and we're going to return await interaction.followup embeds error config. It's not await, it's return interaction.followup. Okay. Now then, up here is where we're going to tab into it, and we are going to do interaction.defer reply set timeout async. Okay, and then here we're going to put a comma and we're going to put 1000. Alright, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Part 2 is where we create the actual functions in the set timeout. I'll explain what it does now. So in the set timeout, all it is it's going to go on the database, it's going to create the webhook in the channel, it's then going to save the webhook token and ID, it's going to log it into the database with a new created database, it's then going to tell it's been successfully created. However, if there's still no data to be seen, it will say an error has occurred. If there's a crash or there is a genuine error, it catches an error, it will tell you there's an error. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. I've repeated myself. I'll speak to you all in the next one. See you later.